Carry means to hold and move something. Example, I carry a bag. Break means to damage something. Example, I break the glass. Receive means to get something. Example, I receive a letter. Agree means to have the same opinion. Example, I agree with you. Support means to help someone. Example, I support my friend. Hit means to strike something. Example, I hit the ball. Produce means to make something. Example, farmers produce food. Eat means to put food in your mouth. Example, I eat rice. Cover means to put something over another thing. Example, I cover the jar. Catch means to stop and hold something. Example, I catch the ball. Draw means to make a picture. Example, I draw a cat. Choose means to select something. Example, I choose a dress. Cause means to make something happen. Example, rain causes floods. Point means to show with your finger. Example, I point at the map. Listen means to pay attention to sound. Example, I listen to music.
Pick means to take something up. Example, I pick a flower. Travel means to go from place to place. Example, I travel by bus. Drive means to control a car. Example, I drive carefully. Teach means to help someone learn. Example, I teach English. Plan means to think about the future. Example, I plan a trip. Measure means to find the size or amount. Example, I measure the table. Test means to check something. Example, I test my computer. Visit means to go see someone or someplace. Example, I visit my grandmother. Enjoy means to like something. Example, I enjoy music. Close means to shut something. Example, I close the window. Control means to direct something. Example, I control the car. Careless means to look after someone. Example, I care for my baby. Manage means to handle something successfully. Example, I manage the shop. Develop means to grow or improve. Example, the city develops quickly. Answer means to reply to a question. Example, I answer the phone. Prepare means to get ready. Example, I prepare dinner.
Describe means to tell about something. Example, I describe my house. Improve means to make better. Example, I'll improve my English. Design means to plan how something looks. Example, I design a website. Share means to give part to others. Example, I share my food. Reduce means to make smaller or less. Example, I reduce volume. Check means to look carefully. Example, I check my email. Fix means to repair something. Example, I fix the chair. Clean means to remove dirt. Example, I clean my table. Cook means to prepare food. Example, I cook dinner. Wash means to clean with water. Example, I wash my hands. Brush means to clean with a brush. Example, I brush my teeth. Push means to move something away from you. Example, I push the door. Pull means to move something toward you. Example, I pulled a rope. Climb means to go upward. Example, I climbed the stairs. Jump means to move off the ground. Example, I jump high. Dance means to move to music. Example, I dance at parties.